Dear students, welcome to School Success. In this video, we'll do the question and answers of the chapter The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn. So let's get started. The first question is, what were Huck Finn's feelings when he escaped from the cabin and paddled down river? The answer is, when Huck Finn escaped from the cabin and embarked on his journey downriver, he experienced a mix of emotions. He felt a sense of relief and freedom from the oppressive environment he was living in with his abusive father. There was also a hint of excitement as he embarked on a new adventure and left behind the restrictions of society. Why do you think the passing ferry shot a cannon? The passing ferry shooting a cannon was likely a part of the customary or traditional practice to honor or mark significant events or moments. In the context of the story, the ferry shooting a cannon when Huck Finn's dead body was expected to surface suggests that it was a way to pay respect or give a final tribute to the deceased. Why did Jim first think that it was Huck Finn's ghost that had come to haunt him? Jim initially thought it was Huck Finn's ghost that had come to haunt him because he believed that Huck had died. Jim had heard the news of Huck's supposed death, which was spread as a result of the fake scene Huck created with the help of the ferry shooting a cannon. When Jim encountered Huck on Jackson's Island, he was taken by surprise and assumed that Huck's appearance must be that of a ghost or spirit. Why had Jim run away from Miss Watson? Jim had run away from Miss Watson because he learned that she intended to sell him downriver in New Orleans. Miss Watson planned to sell Jim as a slave, separating him from his family and subjecting him to a life of slavery. Faced with the vision of being separated from his loved ones and living under harsh conditions, Jim made the decision to escape and seek freedom. What did Huck Finn do after wearing a girl's dress? After wearing a girl's dress, Huck Finn crossed the river to the Illinois side and went to a nearby house. He knocked on the door and a kind woman let him in, unaware of his true identity. Huck Finn engaged in a conversation with the woman, during which she revealed that a young man named Huck Finn had been killed by a runaway slave named Jim. This information shocked Huck, and he quickly realized that he needed to leave and protect Jim from being discovered. Thus, after wearing the girl's dress and obtaining this crucial information, Huck hurriedly returned to the island where Jim was hiding. Who were the Grangerfords? How did they treat Huck Finn? The Grangerfords were a wealthy and respected family that Huck Finn encountered during his journey. The Grangerfords treated Huck kindly like a family member and provided him with shelter, dry clothes, and a home cooked meal. Mrs. Grangerford showed compassion and hospitality towards Huck, considering him fortunate to have survived. Huck formed a friendship with Buck Grangerford, who was around his age, and they enjoyed hunting and fishing together. Read these questions from the story and answer the questions that follow. From my hiding place, I could see everyone on the ferry: Judge Thatcher, the widow, Tom Sawyer, Pap, and Tom's Aunt Polly. They all thought I was dead. I felt bad in a way, but I was so happy to be free that I didn't care. The questions are: Why was Huck Finn hiding? Huck Finn was hiding because he wanted to observe the reaction of the people on the ferry who believed that he was dead. Why do you think Judge Thatcher and Widow Douglas were on the ferry? Judge Thatcher and Widow Douglas were likely on the ferry to participate in some sort of outing or event. What did Huck Finn feel bad about? Huck Finn felt bad in a way because everyone on the ferry, including Judge Thatcher, the widow, Tom Sawyer, Pap, and Tom's aunt Polly, thought he was dead. So, this is the second passage. I told Jim I had to go ashore. I was planning to turn him in. But as I paddled off, Jim called out to me. His words cut me like a knife. The questions that follow. What made Huck Finn want to turn Jim over to the sheriff? Huck Finn wanted to turn Jim over to the sheriff because he was feeling guilty about helping a runaway slave escape. He was torn between his friendship with Jim and the conflicting moral dilemma of breaking the law and going against societal norms. What did Huck Finn mean when he said that Jim's words cut him like a knife? When Huck Finn said that Jim's words cut him like a knife, he meant that Jim's words deeply hurt him emotionally. It implies that Jim's words had a profound impact on Huck, causing him to feel regretful and reconsider his decision to turn Jim in. The statement suggests that Huck felt a strong connection and friendship with Jim, and Jim's words made him realize the significance of their bond. Why didn't Huck Finn turn Jim over in the end? Huck Finn didn't turn Jim over in the end because he had developed a deep bond of friendship and compassion for Jim. Despite his initial intention to turn Jim in as a runaway slave, Huck's interactions and experiences with Jim throughout their journey had challenged his preconceived notions about race, slavery, and morality. He came to see Jim as a human being with feelings, dreams, and a desire for freedom. Huck's decision not to turn Jim in was driven by his growing empathy and loyalty towards him, choosing to prioritize their friendship over societal expectations and norms. Describe the character of Huck Finn on the basis of your understanding of the story. Huck Finn is a young boy who embodies the spirit of adventure, curiosity, and independence. He is portrayed as an independent thinker who questions societal norms. Despite his rough upbringing and lack of formal education, he possesses a keen intelligence. Huck is initially influenced by the prejudiced views of his society, but throughout his journey with Jim, a runaway slave, he undergoes a significant transformation. He begins to question the morality of slavery and the treatment of African Americans, challenging the beliefs and values he was raised with. Huck's character is marked by his rebellious nature and his longing for freedom. His escape from his abusive father and his decision to run away from the comforts of Widow Douglas' home demonstrate his desire for independence and his hatred for a conventional life. Throughout the story, Huck displays courage and resilience in the face of hardship. He is willing to take risks and confront challenges head on, even if it means going against societal norms. Huck's journey down the river serves as a metaphor for his personal growth and self discovery as he navigates the moral complexities of his time and develops his own sense of right and wrong. Write the characters of the story. The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn features several key characters. First is Huckleberry Finn himself. The protagonist and narrator of the story, Huck, is a young boy who embarks on various adventures, seeking freedom and escaping the constraints of society. Jim, a runaway slave and Huck's companion, Jim is depicted as a kind hearted and loyal individual. Tom Sawyer, Huck's mischievous and imaginative friend Tom, adds excitement and adventure to the story. He often comes up with elaborate plans and schemes. Pap, Huck's abusive and alcoholic father, Pap, represents the darker side of society. He is a negative influence on Huck's life and is determined to control him. Widow Douglas, a kind and compassionate woman who takes Huck in and tries to civilize him. Although well intentioned, she represents the societal norms and restrictions that Huck resists. Judge Thatcher, a local judge who helps Huck by securing his money. Miss Watson, Widow Douglas' sister, Miss Watson is stricter and more religious. She tries to teach Huck about morality and the proper way of living. Describe the character of Jim on the basis of your understanding of the story. Jim is a significant character in the adventures of Huckleberry and is portrayed as a complex and sympathetic individual. As a runaway slave, Jim faces the harsh realities of slavery and seeks freedom for himself and his family. Here are some key aspects of Jim's character. Compassionate and caring. Jim is depicted as a compassionate and caring person throughout the story. He forms a genuine bond with Huck Finn, treating him with kindness and protecting him from harm. Jim's concern for others is evident when he expresses his desire to buy his wife and children's freedom to ensure their well being. Wisdom and intelligence. Jim exhibits wisdom and intelligence in his actions and observations. Despite being an uneducated slave, he possesses a deep understanding of human nature and imparts valuable life lessons to Huck. Jim's wisdom is particularly evident when he tells stories and shares his perspectives on various subjects. Strong sense of loyalty. Jim is fiercely loyal, especially to Huck. He remains committed to their friendship, protecting Huck and putting his needs above his own. Jim's loyalty is further showcased when he keeps their secrets and risks his own freedom to help Huck throughout their journey. Desire for freedom and equality. Jim's ultimate goal is to achieve freedom and escape the oppression of slavery. His longing for liberty is a driving force in the society and it highlights the injustice of the institution of slavery. Jim yearns for equality and dignity, challenging the prevailing societal beliefs of the time. The theme of empathy is closely tied to the adventures of Huckleberry Finn. Elaborate. The theme of empathy is prominently woven throughout the adventures of Huckleberry Finn. As Huck Finn embarks on his journey, he encounters various characters from different backgrounds and walks of life. Through these interactions, he begins to challenge his preconceived notions and develops a deeper understanding of others' experiences. Huck's friendship with Jim, in particular, becomes a catalyst for his growth in empathy. He comes to see Jim as a human being deserving of respect and freedom despite the prevailing racist attitudes of the time. This theme highlights the power of empathy in breaking down barriers, fostering compassion, and promoting a more inclusive and just society. So, that is all about the question and answers of the chapter The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn. Please subscribe and like my channel for more such videos. Happy learning and have a good day.